welcome to Thailand.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Fish Small World TV. I'm Candice and this is Grant.
Hello.
And we're about to take us a quick little walk. We had a lot of people asking us about the neighborhood and just what it looks like around here. So we decided to take a little stroll. There is a night market that's down the road. So we're gonna stop there and just kind of just look around and just like kind of take an inventory of that. And then from there, we are going to stop at the grocery store. And if you want to see like a quick comparison of prices for buying things here versus buying things in the US, stick around to the end and I'll definitely put in a quick little haul video of the few things that we grabbed. So it looks like we finally made it to the market. This is our first time coming here, and when we first moved here, it was open like every day for the first 2 weeks, and then it disappeared. And now it looks like it's back. So here we are going to go check it out. Oh, they got veggies over here. Good to know. They look really fresh and good too. Looks like food. All kinds of stuff in here. Okay, so since this is our first time, I had no clue that it was just mostly food here, but it looks good. Like, check this out. That looks like it is so spicy. All different kinds of things. Soups, fish. That looks very interesting, but I don't know what it is. That looks really green.
Hello, welcome to Thailand.
Oh my gosh, the veggies here look so good. I'm literally not buying veggies at the grocery store anymore. They look so good here. 60 and 40 baht, all that food, 60 and 40 baht. That's crazy. And it does look like everything's kind of winding down around here, so there's not really much to see. And like I said, I thought it had more going on here in the market. I didn't know it was mainly just food, but that was cool to come down here. When we first saw it, I know there's a temple like in the back area somewhere over there, but I can't really see it because it's nighttime, but there is a temple that's down there. See if I can zoom in for you guys. So yeah, they got shirts, pants, all different kinds of stuff, 60 baht. So a lot of those shirts and pants and things were $1 or $2. So we'll definitely be coming back to that market. We just stopped here. We just came here really just to kind of check it out. We hadn't ever been here before. We really just wanted to kind of see. And I don't know if you can see it, but the Lotus is right there, so we're almost there. This is kind of like a little mini mall, I guess you could say. It has a food court, all kinds of, Grant, come on, up here. It has all kinds of restaurants, but then it also has like little side stores as well. So you'll see some of those. Grant's favorite restaurant. But yeah, so there's a nail shop, a dental clinic, Hente Press, I don't know what that is. A Watson's is like a pharmacy, but it also has other stuff in it too. And this is kind of like a little stand. They, I guess they're independent from the Lotus. They have their own little thing, but they have a lot of little clothes and things too. As you can see, 100 baht here, 100 baht there, and 100 baht in my mind, that's $3. Here we got $4 jeans. This is going to be a team effort shopping situation. Grant is the cart pusher as well as the person who will be doing the calculations on how much everything costs. We have a very small list because, you know, we have been here for quite some time. So we're just kind of grabbing a few extra little things that we need to replace at the house. So let's do that. And they have electronics and everything in here. Now, I know the name is kind of crazy, but I like this. This is a Thai blended, what they call a white spirit. So this is one of my favorites that I have. And Mr. Calculator here will be calculating everything. That was 85 baht. Okay, grab this. Yeah, that's good. Sandwich bread, that costs 40 baht. You can get this store brand, but I really like it. I've gotten it before. They even have baby clothes, shoes, all kinds of stuff in here. So, like I said, it really is kind of like a little mini mall. I guess you could say really similar to like a Walmart, in my opinion, because it's not a, like, I guess inside the Lotus is more like a Walmart, whereas outside of the Lotus within this building is kind of like a mini mall. What is this?
370.
We have made it back home now, and I just want to show y'all the few things that we got from the store. First up is TP, and this was 45 baht. I grabbed this, and this was 85 baht. This is a Thai alcohol, and they just call it a white spirit. Lastly, I got some chicken drumette, and this is 1.152 kilograms of chicken drumettes, and this was 86.5 baht. With the chicken being 86.5 baht, I'm gonna do a currency conversion. The chicken was 86.5 baht, so that comes out to $2.65. Toilet paper was 45 baht, and that comes out to $1.38. The alcohol was 85 baht, and so that came out to $2.60. My total is, so that was about $6 for a bottle of alcohol, a little over a kilogram of chicken drumettes, and 6 rolls of the jumbo size TV. Thank y'all so much for coming along with us to the market. We had actually never been there before, so that was actually really cool to go down there and see what they had available. And the fact that we saw so many food options that we have not seen since we've been down here is crazy. There's literally food like every 10 steps. And in regard to the pricing of the few items that we got from the grocery store, as you can see, those prices are amazing. But if there's anything that you guys have been wanting to see, or just anything that you want to know, questions you might have for me or Grant, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much for being here, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you for coming to Big Fish Small World, and we'll see you in the next one.